Do you want to learn how to make smoothies that burn fat? Here are 7 delicious smoothies to try for a quick breakfast or afternoon snack. Let's take a look at the benefits of smoothies. Quick and easy. Making your own nutrient-dense smoothie doesn't take as long as preparing most meals, giving you more time for other things. Weight loss. When used as part of a low-fat, low-sugar diet, vegetable smoothies provide pure nutrients to your cells and bulk from fiber, which makes you feel full. Healthy substitute. Fiber and other slow-digesting ingredients like nuts, seeds, or yogurt allow them to stay with you longer than coffee, soda, or other drinks. Meal replacement. If you add small amounts of protein and even some grain to a vegetable smoothie, you can build that drink into a satisfying meal replacement. Improved digestion. Let your blender chew your food and ease the burden on your digestive system while you simultaneously consume plenty of dietary fiber to ensure excellent digestion. Reduce cravings. We all crave sweet and unhealthy foods from time to time. Reduce these cravings, or better yet, replace what you would normally splurge on with a healthy alternative. Energy. Supply your body with the right fuel for more energy in the short and long term. The first step in making healthy smoothies for weight loss is to purchase a blender. Blenders are not at all expensive, although the exact cost will depend on what particular model you purchase. Be sure the blender you purchase is of good quality and that it can blend ice or frozen cubes of fruit. You can pick up an inexpensive blender anywhere. For example, Amazon.com sells inexpensive blenders like Magic Bullet, Cuisinart Compact Blending/Chopping System, Ninja NJ600 Professional Blender, and Oster Counterforms. Next, choose fruits that you love to eat. You can use apples, peaches, bananas, pineapple, kiwi, oranges, and so on. Cut the fruits into small pieces and put them in a freezer. Do not, however, put every ingredient in the freezer. If you want to make a slim smoothie, mix it with yogurt and then blend it. How much you use will affect the taste of the smoothie. Avoid adding sweeteners to your smoothie, as it will mean that you are consuming a lot of sugar, which is not good for weight loss. Vegetables are rich in vitamins and fiber. Vegetable smoothies you can have for lunch or dinner. Often used vegetables are celery, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, cucumbers, and tomatoes. While milk products have a lot of calcium and protein, it is better to choose low-fat milk. Nuts are a source of energy and vegetable protein. A handful of nuts will help to re-energize for a few hours. Seeds, like flax, for example, are much more useful and needed by the body. Cereals can also be part of the band. They first contain cellulose and second, the right types of carbohydrates. You can choose, for example, buckwheat, corn, and oats. There are natural fat burners, which normalize the metabolism and accelerate the fat-burning process, like cinnamon, ginger, turmeric, and cardamom. Limit the fat amount that you add in your smoothies, but you can add healthy fats, like coconuts and avocados. You can try these 7 fabulous smoothies at home. Sunshine Smoothie. 2 medium carrots cut in chunks, 1 medium orange juice, half of a medium lemon, peel included, about a half cup of unsweetened coconut milk. Place everything into the blender and blend until smooth. Mix 2 servings. Watermelon Smoothie. 1 1/4 cup of watermelon, a half cup of strawberries, a 1/3 cup of beets, a 1/4 cup of coconut water to the max line. Fill the NutriBullet cup, add coconut water to the max line, and blend. Peach Smoothie. 1 cup of skim milk, 1 cup of frozen unsweetened peaches, 2 teaspoons of cold pressed organic flaxseed oil. Place milk and frozen unsweetened peaches in a blender and blend for 1 minute. Transfer to a glass and stir in the flaxseed oil. Sweet Spinach Smoothie. 2 cups of spinach leaves packed, 1 ripe pear, peeled, cored, and chopped. 15 green or red grapes, 6 ounces of fat-free plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of chopped avocado, 1 or 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. In a blender or food processor, combine all the ingredients until blended to the desired consistency. Chocolate Raspberry Smoothie. A half cup of skim or soy milk, 6 ounces of vanilla yogurt, a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of fresh raspberries, a handful of ice, or 1 cup of frozen raspberries. Combine ingredients in a blender. Blend for 1 minute, transfer to a glass, and eat with a spoon. chocolate and peanut butter smoothie. 3/4 cup of frozen berries. 1/4 cup of low-fat vanilla yogurt. A half cup of low-fat chocolate soy milk. 2 tablespoons of reduced-fat all-natural peanut butter. In a blender, combine 3/4 cup of frozen berries, 1/4 cup of low-fat vanilla yogurt, 1/2 cup of low-fat chocolate soy milk, and 2 tablespoons of reduced-fat all-natural peanut butter. Mango Smoothie Surprise. 1/4 cup of mango cubes. 1/4 cup of mashed ripe avocado. A half cup of mango juice. 1/4 cup of fat-free vanilla yogurt. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lime juice. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 6 ice cubes. Combine all ingredients in a blender and process until smooth. Pour into a tall glass. Garnish with sliced mango or strawberry if desired, and serve. Just by adding smoothies to your regular daily diet, you can hasten your weight loss, boost your energy, enhance your health, and improve your appearance. Now that you know, make yourself a frozen smoothie today.